want to change your life? Do you think you need to do something huge to be successful? Many people think that way. They think they need a lot of money. They think they need to work all day and night. But what if I tell you a secret? What if I tell you that small things can make a big difference? Yes, it is true. Very small steps can change your whole world. Let us talk about this today. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to English Practice PB. I am so happy you are here with me today. If you want to learn English in a very easy and friendly way, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to join our beautiful family. Today, we are going to learn something amazing. We will talk about how small habits can lead to big success. Listen closely and let us learn together. Think about your daily life. Sometimes we feel very weak. We think we are too small. We think our actions do not matter. But this is not true. Every little thing you do has power. There is a famous idea. It is called the moment of big change. It is like a magic line. Before you cross this line, nothing seems to change. Everything is very quiet. It is very slow. You cannot see any progress. But you keep going. You do not stop. And then, suddenly you cross that line. And everything changes so fast. This is the moment of big change. Let me give you a very simple example. Think about a pot of water on your stove. You turn on the heat, the water gets warm. Then it gets hot. But you do not see anything. The water just looks like hot water. Nothing special is happening. But you do not turn off the stove. You wait. Suddenly, the water starts to boil. You see bubbles everywhere. The quiet water becomes very active. That sudden moment is the magic line. The heat was growing slowly, but the big change happened in 1 second. Our ideas work in the exact same way. Think about a new song or a new app. At first, only 1 or 2 people like it. They share it with their friends. The growth is very slow. Then, those friends tell more friends. Suddenly, everyone is talking about it. Everyone is using it. It becomes a big trend. It becomes famous all over the world. This is how small things become huge. It starts with just one person. It starts with just one small action. We see this on the internet every day. A person makes a short video. At first, only 10 people watch it. Maybe 5 of them like it. But then, one person shares it on social media. Another person sees it and shares it again. Within a few days, millions of people watch that video. It goes viral. This is a perfect example of a magic moment. It started with a very simple, small video, but it ended up changing everything. Now, let us talk about you. Let us talk about your life and your goals. Maybe you want to learn to speak English. You look at other people. They speak so fast. They speak so beautifully. And you feel sad. You think, I can never do that. But please, do not lose hope. Do you know how they learned? They started exactly where you are today. They started with small steps. They did not become experts in one day. No one can do that. Think about learning just one new word every day. Just one word. That is very easy, right? Anyone can learn one word a day. On day 1, you know one word. It feels very slow. You might think this is not working. But wait, if you do this every day, what happens? In 1 year, you will know more than 300 words. That is a lot of words. Your mind will start to connect them. You will begin to understand sentences. You will begin to feel confident. And then, one day, something beautiful will happen. You will watch an English video and you will understand it. You will meet someone and you will speak to them in English. You will not even think about it. It will just happen naturally. That day will be a magic line. That will be a tipping point. All your slow work will suddenly show results. So do you see? Your small habit of learning one word a day was not small at all. It was the start of a big change. My dear students, never feel weak. Never think your efforts are useless. Sometimes we want everything to happen fast. We live in a fast world. We want fast results. But real growth takes time. It is like growing a small plant. You give it water every day. You do not see it grow in 1 hour. But you keep giving it water, and one day it becomes a big, beautiful tree. Your English journey is just like that plant. Give it a little time every day. Be patient with yourself. You are doing great. Let me ask you a question. What is one small thing you can do today? Can you read one sentence? Can you speak for 1 minute? Yes, you can. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Today is the perfect day to start. Just take one small step. And keep going. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Thank you so much for listening to me today. I hope this video gives you hope. I hope it makes you feel strong. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are in this together. Please share this video with your friends. Let us help each other grow. Keep practicing every day with English Practice PB. I will see you in the next video with another easy lesson. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye for now. Take care of yourself.